Hey everyone, this is Lance from West Coast Hiking, and I am up in Pacheco State Park next to San Luis Reservoir, right back there, up here in Northern California. And it's springtime up here, and these are some nice green rolling hills, and I hope to see some wildflowers, but the grass is green, the wind is blowing a little, making it look pretty cool. It looks like the grass is kind of waves in the distance. But let's check out these hills and see what this is all about, okay? Here we go. Anybody up for some grass surfing over here? It's pretty cool how the wind does that. Makes it look like waves. Let's go explore some more. Okay, so far I've come up that hill right there, up and over and down this trail up to where I am now. It's been a pretty smooth trail. It's got ups and downs over these little rolling hills, but nothing big. So I'm gonna head on that way and see what's around the corner down over there. All right, so I just came down this really steep hill right back here. Not looking forward to going back up, so I'm hoping over here it goes around and back down towards where I parked. Because I still have to have some minor knee surgery. Got to have it scoped out. So I'm not looking forward to any rough stuff because it does hurt. It does hurt. But got to get it fixed so I can hit the rough stuff. But let's keep going on this trail and see what's going to be over up on the other side of the mountain over here, on the other side of where I parked. Going to explore over there too. So let's keep going. So it looks like I'm going to get stuck with a really steep uphill anyways. All right, let's do this. I'll just take it easy. But I imagine when I get to the top, I'll be Hey. Whew. Hey, I told you. A little downhill now. Pretty up here though, isn't it? Okay, I've just about come full circle. That's my truck over there, the white one. That's where I parked. I went up and around that hill, back the backside, around, and came up over here to where I am now. So now it's time to go back to the truck and have a little lunch. I got some Hormel chili waiting for me. Let's go get it.